Let's start by adding a cylinder to the scene. Select it and go to Modeler mode. Delete the top and bottom parts. Rotate 90 degrees along the x-axis. Scale to 300% along the z-axis. Flip all polygons inward. Select the front part and scale it to 200%. Exit to scene mode. Set the tunnel to green and apply smooth shading. Next, add an area light to the scene. Reposition the light to -2 on the z-axis. Rotate 180 degrees on the y-axis. Increase the light intensity to 4000. Add a sphere to the scene. Set the sphere's color to white. Scale it to 0.5. Move it backward. Clone multiple spheres and reposition them. Reposition the view. Place all the spheres close to the tunnel wall. Set the background color to white. Finally, let's render the scene. Wait until the noise level comes down. Press pause and save the render result. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Have fun and have a nice day.